This is Samsung Galaxy M14, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. To start, we will need to download and install the third-party app that is called Caffeine. That's a free tool allowing us to customize our screen timeout preferences. So here is the app. Hit the install button. Wait a few seconds for application to be downloaded and installed, since as you can see that's a very lightweight application, so it does not take a lot of time. Then you gotta launch it. Inside the app, make sure that the timeout section was set to the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine app stays active in the background, so make sure not to close it, your screen will not automatically turn itself off or will not automatically go to sleep at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.